Let's see how to fix if your Hollyland K1 microphone was not connecting with your phone. So it's actually very simple. So the very first thing you need to know is make sure you unlock your mobile or iPad screen. And then while you are connected to a receiver, you need to see this blue cable like symbol. I mean the symbol. It's not blue for all devices, but the thing is you need to see this indication on your iOS devices, I mean iPhone or iPad. Then only your receiver will work. So otherwise it won't. You need to see the indication. Sometimes you won't see that thing. If you are using charger here and try to charge your iPhone or iPad, you just unplug this if you haven't seen that symbol. If still you haven't seen that, you just disconnect this and flip this and connect. Then look for the symbol. If it haven't, you just adjust this thing. So sometimes your iPhone or iPad connector or this one. Actually this one looks not super fit for our iPhones. Personally, I feel like that. Maybe look at this and this. So its size was little bit smaller than the Hollyland. It fits correctly. You can see there is no gap in it. But if I connect the Hollyland receiver, there is a gap. So it's not a perfect fit for Apple devices. So we need to shake a little bit to see the symbol. And while you are recording, sometimes you don't know whether you are recording using your Hollyland microphone or your device microphone. So in that case, how you need to find is you just open the voice memos. You usually open that. So here you can see, you just listen the track. There is no noise in it. Here you can see when you record using your Hollyland microphone with noise reduction turned on, there is no noise. If I just unplug this and record a new thing, you can see there is a noise, large band waveform. So by using this, you can easily find whether your Hollyland microphone is recording or not. And the another way is you can install this all Holly audio to find out whether your mic is working or not. And if you are using Android phones, after you connect this thing, I mean the receiver, we don't see the symbol usually, but you need to do one thing. You just open settings app and click the search bar and type OTG and search. Then you can see this and turn on the OTG. So after this, you can see the receiver is working. So this is the main thing. And one more issue I found on using Android is you usually start recording like this and you just keep recording that thing. But sometimes it will automatically disconnect. I mean the Hollyland microphone will disconnect it and your mobile microphone will still continues to record the audio. It happens sometimes because after sometimes the OTG will be turned off usually. So if OTG turned off, your microphone was going to off. So this is the thing. So in that case, what you have to do is you just open the settings app, scroll down your while and open display and brightness and scroll down here and screen of time. You need to change this to maximum. I just choose 30 minutes. This is the one thing. Usually some people's comment on our last video, if they try to charge their microphone, it won't charge, it don't show any symbol, something like that. So in that case, when you bought the microphone, you can see the blue color film over it. So if you haven't removed and just put it like this and try to charge, your microphone won't going to charge. So you need to remove the blue film and then charge, then only the connection will be made. So this is it. And if you want to know more videos about Hollyland microphone, you need to watch this playlist.